With very few simple ingredients, Arabic cuisines are packed with lots and lots of flavors. Today we are going to see how to make this fool using kidney beans, moutabel using eggplants and some salads. Hello everyone, welcome to Farah Zone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon. So let's start by making this fool recipe using kidney beans. For this, I'm adding some oil onto a hot pan. 1 whole crushed garlic. For this recipe, garlic is the main ingredient to give flavor. Then I'm adding 2 medium-sized onions. Saute the onion until it is golden brown. Add in some green chilies, curry leaves and salt. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder. Add in 1 medium-sized chopped tomato and mix well. So I'm using this Maggi, which is a vegetable stock, just a small pinch. Little more. Cover and cook until the oil separates. So today I'm using Americana Garden kidney beans. These are already boiled ones, I guess. So you just have to open the can, remove the water and put it into the mixture. What are you doing? Isa? What are you doing? Cleaning. You're cleaning? Oh, thank you. This is how it looks. So, I'm straining this. You can see. Going to wash. So I'm using the same mixie that I have grinded the garlic, so I'm adding a little bit of it, just a rough one mix. So by the time I have grinded, I think this must have been ready. See, you can see the masala is ready now. I'm adding all the things. So I have added some water into this. I'm shaking it and I'm going to pour this. So I think this is ready. Just cover and cook for 2 more minutes and you're good to go. So now I'm going to do moutabel. So for this moutabel, I have 3 eggplants over here, but I'm going to use just 1. I took 2 eggplants over here, washed it, and I'm going to burn this on this cookstop. You need something like this, this type thing, so that you can, place your eggplant over it. So I'm going to stove and I'm going to place this. I'm going to place this and separate like this, just let it burn. Just change it, change the position. You can see how this is burned. see how this is burned over here. Like that you will rotate you can see lots of those drips, but that is unerectable or unskippable part. So now the main head. So now when the head is, when it's too long and you can't fit it, just put it like this. Just cut it and then put it in the fryer like this. After burning, you have to peel the skin. I forgot to film it, so this is how you remove the skin. The skin comes off. If you just peel it off, it will easily come off. So this is an amikal. I don't know what they say in English. I think it's a grindstone. So I have taken just one clove of garlic and I'm crushing it. Now I'm going to grind the eggplant as well. Grind this into a rough consistency paste. Not all of us will be having the grindstone, so for that I am showing you an alternative method. For this, take a vessel, if possible, if you have manchatti or clay pot, even that's better, and take a ladle. Now press this eggplant with the ladle into a mashed consistency. You cannot use a grinder or a food processor to mash these eggplants because you don't want a smooth paste-like consistency. You need a rough texture with the seeds of the eggplant and all. So after mashing it, I'm using tahina, 1 tablespoon of tahina, that is sesame paste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half lemon and some salt. Mix all these ingredients well. You can adjust the tahina and yogurt depending on your taste preference. Our moutabel is ready. Finally, add some olive oil onto the top. Next, I am making an easy salad. For this, I have taken 2 medium-sized cucumber and diced them. Next, I am adding 1 medium-sized chopped onion, half medium-sized tomato. You can add in any vegetable of your choice like mushroom, capsicum, cabbage. Then I have added here boiled chickpeas, squeeze in half a lemon, lastly, season it with some salt and pepper and mix well. So that's the entire spread, an easy Arabic menu that we had last night. So I hope you enjoyed this video and do give it a try for sure. Please comment down below your feedbacks, and if you want to watch more such Arabic cuisines, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.